Welcome back to my latest video. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can resolve the issue of being unable to sign up for Cash App, accompanied by the message "Sorry, you are not able to sign up at this time." So how can you fix this error? Firstly, return to your home screen, then navigate to your App Store or Play Store application. Once there, access the search bar and look up Cash App. Make sure to check if your Cash App application is up to date. If it's not, proceed to update it. After updating, check if the issue persists. If it does, move on to the next step. Open your mobile settings and verify the status of your internet connection. If it's not working properly, connect to a Wi-Fi network to ensure a strong internet connection. Again, check if the problem has been resolved. If not, proceed to the following solution. Tap on your device's software update option to see if any updates are available. If there are, update to the latest version. Check if the issue persists afterward. If it does, try offloading and reinstalling the Cash App application. To do this, go to your iPhone storage settings, locate Cash App, offload the application, and then reinstall it. Confirm if the problem persists. If it does, proceed to adjust your device's date and time settings. Ensure they are correct or enable automatic date and time settings. If the issue persists, you can reset your network settings by accessing the Transfer Reset option in your device settings, followed by tapping on Reset Network Settings and completing the process. Ensure you follow each step carefully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. If you encounter any problems while following these steps, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.